friends, welcome to Jana's Mom Kitchen. Today I am going to prepare a new recipe. It's bottle gourd bamboo shoot Manchurian. So here we'll require bottle gourd and fermented bamboo shoot as the main ingredient. So let's start cooking. Today's recipe will require grated bottle gourd. I have grated it and added some turmeric so you can see the yellow color. I have squeezed it properly because squeezing is required as bottle gourd releases lots of water. Then this is fermented bamboo shoot. So to know how to make fermented bamboo shoot, you can see my other video where I have made this bamboo shoot pickle, and in it the procedure has been described. And for gravy will require a chopped onion, garlic, ginger, some chopped chilies, then turmeric and salt, and other ingredients are soy sauce, tomato sauce, chili sauce. Instead of chili sauce I will use this bhut jolokia pickle oil. So few drops of this pickle, few drops of oil of this pickle will do the same function of this red chili. And for binding both the Manchurian balls will require the corn flour and besan. So let's start the cooking process. First I need to mix both. Then for binding these will require some besan and corn flour powder. We will add salt at last because addition of salt will again release water. So mix very gently, don't be hard, otherwise again bottle gourd will release water. So turmeric has already been added to it. So I think little more besan will require. At this point I will add some salt. Fermented bamboo shoot has sour taste, so these Manchurian balls will have the sourness of bamboo shoot and the freshness of bottle gourd. So binding has been done properly. Now we'll make small balls, Manchurian balls. The balls should be equal in size, so this way all balls will be formed. So I have made the balls. Now put some oil in a wok and fry this ball in low flame so that it cooks properly. So this way fry them till they turn golden brown, and remember we should cook in low flame as we have added besan and corn flour to it. So for proper cooking and deep cooking we should fry in low flame. So Manchurian balls are cooked properly, they have turned golden brown. So I'll put them on a tissue paper. Likewise, I will fry the other balls also. Now I will make the gravy. I have heated a pan and pour 2 tablespoons of oil to it. The oil has been heated. Now add chopped onions, chopped ginger and chopped garlic. Let it fry for some time. It should turn golden brown. In a bowl, mix 2 tablespoons of soya sauce, 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce, and few drops of this pickle oil. It's very hot. The oil is very hot, very hot and spicy, so few drops will serve the purpose. This will act as red chili sauce. So I'm not using this red chili sauce. I'm using this pickle oil. So mix it properly. Add some water, like 3 tablespoons will do. This will dilute the sauce. So the sauce is ready. The onions, garlic and ginger are properly cooked. Now add the sauce mixture. So let's cook for 2 more minutes. I forgot to mention that we need 2 tablespoons of vinegar also. So at this point we need to add vinegar. So I am adding the vinegar. See the color, it's so beautiful. Now add 1 teaspoon of corn flour. Mix it with 2 tablespoons of water and pour to this gravy. This will help to thicken the gravy. You can taste it and see if you require any salt, because all the sauces has salt in it. I found little bit of salt will be required to it. Yeah, this will be enough. So always check the salt. Now you have to taste it and check, because soya sauce, tomato sauce, red chili sauce, all sauces have the salt in it. So now put the Manchurian balls. Let us stir. It's almost ready. Just one more minute will be required. Just mix it properly. I have taken out in a serving plate. Just garnish with some green chilies. So it's done. So my bottle gourd bamboo shoot Manchurian is ready to serve.